If you need to reset two-factor authentication on Disney+, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account securely. Step 1. Access the Disney Plus login page. Go to the Disney Plus website or open the Disney Plus app on your device. Click on the login button to begin the process of accessing your account. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process, which is necessary for resetting your two-factor authentication settings. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Disney Plus account. This is where you will receive instructions to reset your password and two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Disney Plus. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. This will also allow you to manage your two-factor authentication settings. Step 5. Update two-factor authentication settings. Once you have reset your password, log back into your Disney Plus account. Navigate to the account settings and find the two-factor authentication section. Follow the prompts to set up or modify your two-factor authentication preferences. By following these steps, you can successfully reset your two-factor authentication on Disney Plus. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Disney Plus customer support for further assistance.